What's up? I'm here with another video, and for some reason, my camera lighting looks horrible. I look fuzzy. I so apologize. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know, maybe it's the lighting, but I am here to do this video about the pre-everything Unice wig, where you don't have to pluck it, you don't have to dye the knots, you don't have to cut the lace. I suggest cutting the lace back just a little bit more because there's probably like an eighth of a centimeter too much of lace for me. I cut mine back. Now, here's the thing. I've already worn this wig over the weekend. I did a whole video unboxing, showing you the wig, cutting the lace with you on camera, everything. But guess what? I didn't like the video. I was trying to do some background, fake background filter, and all of this other great stuff. And yeah, I didn't like it because with those fake filters, when you move your arms, because I'm very animated with my hands, and when you move your arms and your hands and things like that, guess what? You start flickering, you go all out of focus. It was just, although the background did look cute. But hey, I have to say, why not? I said in my dining room, I have my kitchen, I have my living room, I have my office space. I have tons of nice areas within my own house that I could actually film. I don't need a green screen. I don't need all of that. I'm just being real. You know what I mean? It's my house. I can just film where I want to. I may want to film out on the deck one day by the pool. You never know. Anyway, but let's get into this wig. It's really a beautiful wig. I only have a couple of gripes about it, but other than that, it's okay. Like I said, I've already worn it. I've curled it. I've worn it straight. I've worn it down the middle. I've worn a side part. Right now, I have my head prepped because I want to wear this wig when I put it on today because I'm so busy. I don't have time to take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on. Anyway, so it came in the Unice signature box, and it came with goodies, of course, and the same goodies that you see everybody else get. Since I've already worn this stuff, I'm just going to run through it real quick. I didn't use their stocking cap, but they have the HD wig cap, which I probably should have used this time. Um, they have fingernails. Love the fingernails, right? Of course, I do. And they have a strap in case you want to strap the strap into the wig and not use it comes with ear tabs, and I'll show you. In case you don't want to use that and you don't want to glue it down, which you do not have to if you don't want to, this is a perfect addition to the wig to be able to slide it into the little pockets that it has on the inside of the wig cap so that you can secure your wig. Comes with that. It comes with a melting band. It comes with extra wig tape, and the reason being is the everything is the wig that comes with tape on the ear tabs. I'm going to show you. But it also gave you extra tape for like if you want to tape it around here, which is good to have. But me, I have tape, I have glue, I have got to be, I have everything you can think of for wigs. Boom, here's my extra wig tape that I already had. So anyway, this is the wig. She's 16 inches long of silky straight. She doesn't look very extremely silky straight right now because I've already worn her. I've already curled it. I didn't put a lot of product in it. I didn't really have any product to put in it, but she is really pretty. And one thing I can say about this wig, it's by Unice, the not the Bye Bye Knots, but it's just like the Bye Bye Knots, really. The pre-everything, it does not shed a lot. And oh my God, my husband is going to love that because he hates that all my wigs just shed, shed, shed. And I told him, like, babe, if I was wearing my real hair sheds a little bit too. So it's going to be hair regardless. So get used to it, right, girl? Anyway, this is the cap. On the inside at the ear tabs is where there will be wig tape when you get it. Not now. This is what the lace is looking like. You don't have to dye it. Up here looks a little dry and ash from the hairspray. I tried to clean that off, but I can take care of that once it's on my head. I just want to show you guys the wig. I can take care of all the little beauty things around it after I get it on. And I've already prepped my head, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this on. Now, if you've never used wig tape, don't be afraid. It's really simple. It's really easy. You don't want to be putting the tape on your hairline. You want to make sure that you position it just in front of your hairline. This will probably, my sideburns literally go really long, and I've cut them back a little bit just so I won't be putting this on my hairline. I'd rather cut my hairline back, not my hairline, but my sideburns down, up here some, than have it snatched out by tape. So this I'm going to end up putting just in front of my my wig cap. Now, how do you prep your skin for this? The same way you do with doing hairspray or even with the actual wig glue. You have to take your alcohol wipes and clean your skin because that stuff is not going to stick to dirt. It's not going to stick to makeup, but it will stick to clean skin. And because I think I'm going to tape it down in the front, I'm going to clean right here too. So I'll be putting the tape like right in the front there. See, it has these little, see how this is like a little longer? There's no tape right there. So you want to keep that part. You want to take this part off. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to lay it right halfway onto the wig cap and halfway onto my forehead like that, right? I'll leave that there. And then I want to put some here. So I'm going to use my tape for that portion. And what I love about the tape, there's no waiting on it to get tacky and all that other great stuff. You just go ahead and put it on your skin and then place the hair down. There we go. Like, see that shiny stuff? That's the tape. That's what I want. That's the money shot. Okay. We go to this side. It's a good thing to put alcohol on your fingertips too, just to make sure you get all the oils off your fingertips. So I'm laying this halfway on the stocking cap and halfway on my skin. Okay, I'm gonna lay this right here, halfway on the wig cap, halfway on my skin. And we have these ear tabs. Now, you want to make sure these ear tabs is lined up. Now, hopefully I can take off this. Matter of fact, let me take it off and do this. Oh, trying to peel the tape up. Now, let me just mention this. The tape that they had on there that comes with this, it was phenomenal. I had to literally take the tape off today. It wasn't ready to come off, but I know I wanted to do this video for you guys. So I took it off, but it wasn't trying to come off. And there we go. Trying to pull it off without touching it, without trying to get any flyaway hairs. Smooth it down. Okay, trust me, it's only me because I'm trying to hurry up. If you're doing this at home, it's going to be much easier for you. Got it. Got it. Okay. Boom. So there's the tape on the ear tabs. Looking crazy. From your perspective, I'm sure. Fingernail stuck to it. See that kind of rolled up? Don't worry about that. I promise you I'm going to have that tight. So you remove this. Bam. My grandson say, bam. Remove this. Oops. Tweezers help. I promise tweezers will be a better option to use when doing this. That was easy. Okay. So see how that's rolled up? You won't even see it under the cap. I won't even worry about that. You want to make sure the ear tabs are lined up to go on here perfectly. And I'm trying to do this on the camera. Let me look in the mirror. Hold on. So I'm placing it right in front there. There we go. Pulling it a little to the front here. Feel it on my skin. Perfect. Here, putting it, lift it, pull it, adhere it down. Ooh, feels good. On out, smooth it. Ooh, It's on there. I have bed head. It is on there. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, see how that's shining? No worries. Wait, hold on. Put that up again. Lay that down. All right, and she's on. So I'm gonna take this and just move it. How about we remove these big old earrings? Okay. Now, if you want, while you're going to be manipulating the hair, now that you have it on, you can take your band. I have another one of Unice's. This one, so I'll use this one. Take your band and let me see. Let me show you. Baby, them ear tabs are down. Oh, I had already cut my little sideburns. My hair was so cute this weekend, guys. Like seriously cute. Okay. So the wig is on. So look. See, I have that right there because um I did not put it like right on the at the tip of the tape. So that's cool. This is down. Oh my God, it's not going anywhere. Like it is down. That is that is really nice. I was about to say crazy, but no, that's crazy good. And these are just some like short hairs I had cut. I wasn't trying to do baby hair, so to speak, but it was just trying to cut some short ends around here. Okay. What do you think? You think it's cute? I think it's cute. Again, that's Amazon. Free everything. It's on Amazon, $127. And, depending on where you're at, your taxes, all of that stuff, I think I pay like a total of 136. If you can't pay it all up front, ladies, we can look good by using a firm and not pay up front. Pay on it monthly if you can't get it all up front. But yeah, I hope you like it. And don't forget to thumbs up, pass it along, tell your friends that there's wigs out here being made that are beginner friendly. You don't have to do all of what I did. You can literally take it out the box. And I suggest cutting that lace just a little bit and putting those ear tabs down, remember, in front of your hairline. And once you do all of that, you're good to go. But yeah.